Meaning of ingratiating.
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 Ingratiating. The term ingratiating is often used to describe behavior that is intended to gain favor or approval from others. It typically involves actions such as flattery, compliments, or gestures of goodwill towards someone in an attempt to win them over. However, when taken to an extreme, this behavior can come across as insincere or even manipulative. In essence, being ingratiating is a strategy for improving one's social standing or reputation. Ultimately, whether it leads to genuine connections with others or just superficial relationships depends on the sincerity and intention behind the behavior.